for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a little mini hamburger and hot dog plushie, and this is what they look like. For the hamburger, I actually put a piece for cheese, tomato, and lettuce. You most certainly don't need to put all three in the hamburger if you do not want to. If you want, you could just put the cheese and make it into a cheeseburger, or if you want, you could just put the lettuce and the tomato, or you could put all three. You could do whatever you want and have fun with it. And then for the hot dog, I put some mustard and ketchup on it. You can just do mustard or just ketchup, or even make some relish or do something different. Maybe try out making a chili dog or something. So if you would like to learn how to make these, stay tuned for this video. And as always, the template for these plushies is down in the description box. much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and have fun making your own little hamburger and hot dog plushies. And if you did enjoy this video, please be sure to go give it a thumbs up. It would mean everything to me. And also be sure to go hit that subscribe button so you can see when I post another plushie tutorial. And also, I'm totally curious, which plushie did you guys like more? Do you like the hamburger or do you like the hot dog? I think I like the hamburger more. I just think the beads on the top just look so adorable on it. But let me know which one you guys liked more. And I guess that's it for this video. So I hope you guys all have a great rest of the day and goodbye.